my girl, right? Here's some shit she did one day. She didn't have no money, so the bitch needed some money to go get some dry cleaning out the store. She needed a dry cleaner, right? So it's a Sunday. So she goes like this. She goes, I'm building something in the house. I'm putting something together, and she goes, I was gonna go get my dry cleaning, but I'll wait for you. I go, well, no, bitch, you got a car, go get it. And no, I'll just wait till you're done. And I go, for what? Oh, nothing. I got a check coming in, no, nothing. I'll go cash the check. Bitch, what check you gonna cash on a Sunday? What the fuck you talking about? Let me tell you what she was doing. She was wanting me to be here's a bitches in a nutshell.
She didn't.
They have ego, and at the same time
arrogant.
They don't know how to be humble, and at the same time need you. So they need you, but they're arrogant at the same time. So she needed money, but instead of asking me for money, which would humble her too much, she tried to manipulate me into offering to be a man. Do you understand what I'm saying? And that is their fucking problem, is that they're egotistical motherfuckers who at the same time need you to open the pickle jar. So basically, this chick don't need you to fucking do the tires, but let me tell you what you do. If she gonna act like she don't need you to do anything for her, this is what you're gonna do. I'm gonna back it up to Kathleen's point. You know what? Don't do the other shit that she needs you to do. Because you can't, that's the control. It's like, oh, nah, no, motherfucker, I know how to do this, and the only reason that I fucking gonna do this is because I can't. So you do it. And she probably gonna do it angry like that. Like, motherfucker, lift this motherfucking shit up for me because I can't. Faggot. That's how women are.
That goes it goes all to one thing. Take your ball and go home. You have a kid, you go and you say, well, you playing ball in the park, and you say, well, I want to bat first. And they say, well, you can't bat, but you can play. You say, all right, well, I'm taking my ball and my bat, and I'm going home. Don't play the game. If you play the game, you can always lose the game.